Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we are doing our empty-ish house tour. And I say empty-ish because the sellers did leave some things for us, so there are a few things in the house already.
Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
All right, so this is entering the front door. All right, so here, this is the front door, and they left the rug right here. I'll go ahead and show you this main area. A little sweet little girl. Here is the kitchen. I really love this area right here with the windows. It's really bright and light, and of course, I love the countertops. This is exactly what I would have chosen, and I love the marble backsplash. It's a huge island. Sink. And this looks like a quartz countertop. It's like a marble looking, what I believe is quartz. To me it doesn't look, and it's a matte finish. And then the backsplash is marble. This is the dining room here. Right beside the kitchen. And then out here, there's also a screen porch. And they left this table out here, but we're probably gonna replace it with our table that we already have, because these chairs are so large that they take up the whole porch. Okay, this is the living room. They left the couch and the chairs here. And we're hoping to keep all of this furniture. It was honestly a whole lot nicer than what we had and in better shape. So we're just gonna put our rug and stuff in here. They left the TV that was mounted up here above the fireplace. My favorite thing about this room are the two skylights, which are right above the fireplace. And then we have two sliders beside the fireplace, and then another slider right there off of the living room. So there's just a whole lot of light in this house. It's really gorgeous. The wood floors are beautiful, and they're throughout the entire house. This room is small, but it's going to be Sophie's room, we hope. This is our plan. It's got double doors. So like this. It's got plantation shutters in here. So our plans for this room is to put a day bed on this back wall that has a trundle bed underneath, and just try to keep the furniture as minimal as possible in here, and keep her toys, a lot of her toys, in the closet, to give as much play space as possible out here. And then also she likes to be where we are, so she also can play in the living room because it's right outside of her room, so I feel like that'll be good. And this is the hallway where the bedrooms are. They did leave this mirror. I'll show you Katie's room next. They left this couch, which we're hoping can stay in Katie's room. This is actually a sleeper sofa, and I think it'd be really nice for Katie as a teenager to have a couch in her room. We just have to see if it's gonna work. She also has plantation shutters in here and the nice hardwood floors, just like Sophie's room. She has a bigger closet. This is actually a much bigger closet in here. So, okay, and then this is Katie and Sophie's bathroom. It's got a really pretty shower. And so it's actually connected to Katie's room here. It's got a linen closet. And then this is the vanity area here. And then it also opens up to this hallway here right beside Sophie's room. So this is where we came from. Sophie's room is right there. Bathroom is right here, and then Katie's room is right beside there. So the bedrooms don't connect like they did at the other house with Katie and Sophie, but they're very close. And then the master bedroom is across the hall from Katie's room, so it's on the other side of the hall, and it's fairly large. It's definitely big enough for us because we don't like a huge master bedroom with wasted space. So our bed will go back on this wall. There's a sliding door out here to go to the patio, and then there is a really beautiful bathroom. So there's this shower enclosure here, which is really, really beautiful. And then it also has a tub in here, which is really nice. And a lot of these older houses do not have tubs. And then it's got a dual vanity. So this is Gary's here. And then mine on this side. So it's a lot of counter space. And then a separate like toilet room here. And then this is the closet in here. It's a walk-in closet, which is honestly fairly large for the age of this home. So I'll just kind of show you the closet. It's already got some nice organizational things in it. And here's the other side. That's funny, they left some hangers and she has the exact same hangers I have. Isn't that funny? Okay, so that is all of our bedrooms downstairs. And I will go ahead and show you the laundry room. Okay, this is our laundry room. It has a pocket door. They left the appliances here. And they left their little, this little caddy thing. And then there's another guest bathroom here. Plantation shutters. That's a half bathroom right off of the kitchen and living room. All right, so in the living room, if you look up, there is this catwalk here. This is where I'm hoping to put my bookshelves from my schoolroom. And then up these stairs is what we're hoping to use as our guest room and office. So if we can get Sophie's room to work for her, where she's got enough room for her toys and everything, then Katie's gonna be downstairs and this is gonna be our office. Otherwise, Katie's gonna end up here and Sophie will end up in Katie's room. But that's not what we wanna do because I think the girls want to be together if possible. So we're going up the stairs. The same wood floors upstairs. And then this room also has the double doors like Sophie's. And then there's a little patio out here, little deck. There's two closets. This closet we're going to use for half of it is going to be like our file cabinet and printer because there's actually an outlet in here. And then the other half we're gonna try to leave open for guests when they come and bring clothes. And then this other closet is gonna be like a lot of storage for us. So when we had the other house where we just moved from, we had a ton of storage, and I'm hoping that I can put some shelves in here and kind of let this be taking the place of some of that storage that we kind of lost. So that's my hope there. There's also a really nice bathroom in here, in the guest bathroom. They have like a sort of a tile that sort of looks like a light wood on the floor. It's not picking up well on the camera. It's a little bit darker than it's picking up on the camera. And then it's got a vanity very similar to the master bathroom in the downstairs bathrooms. And it has a tub and shower up here. Really pretty. I love the houndstooth tile pattern, the large subway tile with the houndstooth pattern. I think that's really gorgeous and has a really pretty shower head as well. And then the best thing in this bathroom is the skylight. And here's the view from upstairs.
Hi.
I got my babies down here resting, and so I'm hoping to put my bookshelves right here and not really use it for anything except just storing a homeschool curriculum that we're not currently using. And then my entryway bench, I'm gonna probably put that right here. So that's my plan. The fireplace I thought I would show you. Our realtor said this is actually soapstone. It's not necessarily my style, but honestly it's growing on me because it's a little bit ornate in the way that it was carved, but it is very pretty, and the fact that it's white and kind of plain, I like that. So I'm just trying to decide what to do with it. I kind of wanted to do some shiplap above, but I honestly don't know if it would go with this fireplace and if I should change out like this mantle and these side pieces, or if I should just leave it and maybe put some shiplap up here or do something totally different. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the fireplace, because that's one thing that I'm just really not sure about. I'll show you outside. Okay, so this is the backyard, and there is a really large deck on the back porch here. So that door that you see down there is the master bedroom, and then there's the door here, which is in the living room. The porch up there was that upstairs guest room where Gary will also have his office. And then this door here is also going into the living room and kitchen, and then this is the screen porch. And then in the backyard, we have a lot of trees and actually has grass. A lot of these houses in here just have like pine straw. So our hope is to actually put a pool in probably right here. These 3 pine trees may have to go in order for that to happen, but that's kind of our plan, is to put in a pool right here. Or possibly on the other side. I'm not really sure, but we've got a company that's going to come look at it. I don't know if we're going to do that immediately, but that is kind of like our long-term plan. So I love the landscaping out here. Kind of walk you down, let you see that, and let you see back up here. They did leave their grill, which was really nice because we had to get rid of ours. Ours was not in good enough condition to move. So this is what the backyard looks like. And the back of the house. And that's the chimney there. So that's our empty home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. We're so excited and we can't wait to get our stuff in here and go ahead and be able to begin decorating. We're just really excited to kind of make this house our home and just enjoy living down here in Hilton Head. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.